welcome back to the boat channel. Yeah, Chrissy's it's been great. I worked right up until New Year's Eve. I've had the last few days recovering from lots of food and lots of drink, and we're finally back on our feet, and we're going to go have a look at the boat first. Then we're going to get some materials, and I really want to build a new roof over the boat. Wet season's starting to really come in, and we need to get some cover over it. So let's get to the boat. But look, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone out there. Actually, one thing we better do, Coop, one thing we got to do is get a new tripod stand for the GoPro, because it snapped when it fell off the boat the other week. We haven't had a chance to get a new one. I got a little flat thing for it, but it doesn't hold things very well, does it? Well, let's go look. Good, we've got plenty of space at the back. There's a tree there, so it's going to be difficult to stand something up from the back of the boat, the frame. I've already got two pieces of frame up though. I just want to put a bit of a truss over the top of them, so I've got some height for the tarp to have some angle on it. Oh, good. Oh, that's what I wanted to see. This is dry. This has got all the water and crap in it. That's what we wanted. Drain, drain, drain. So what I'm thinking is we're going to do two frames at this end. Try and get one as close to the edge of this. Might even trim a bit of this tree off. Get rid of this bit of branch. And we can put one all the way up here. And then one in between here and there. So two frames here. And then we've got this one here, we'll just put a top on. And that one there, we'll put a top on as well. So two frames, plus I might put one in between. No, I don't need to put one in between here and here. I'll just do a brace across through the top, and we'll run that right through so the tarp can hang over. We'll run some side edges so we can screw the tarp off on the sides. Yep, that's what we'll do. So we'll just create a bit of a tight teepee little tent. That'll do. That'll keep the leaves and the rain off. If it's pulled tight and screwed up strong, we'll just get some better quality timber than the cheap pine. She's not a perfect structure, but she's going to be strong enough to hold a bit of tarp over it. I really didn't want to film me walking out onto the end of this. I didn't want to stand on these until it's all fiberglassed in and supported with this end. And so what I did is I cut a piece of wood to the right height, clamped it off, set these two pieces on top, and very carefully walked out to here so I could screw that off. Yeah, it was a little sketchy, but she worked. Now we're just going to screw two pieces to there, and then we've got a little bit of a tarp frame. Just a tarp frame, that's all it is.